a breathtaking journey across the surface of Mars in stunning 8K resolution. Today we soar over one of the most captivating geological wonder on the red planet, a rippled crater that reveals secrets of Mars' ancient past. Sit back as we explore the alien world like never before. Our destination today lies within the Martian highlands, an ancient impact crater nearly 40 kilometers wide. What makes this site extraordinary isn't just the size, it's the ripple-like pattern stretching across the basin, etched into the dusty terrain over millennia.